Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with a Miele dishwasher flashing error code F85 in 2025, you're in the right place. This error can be frustrating, but it's often something you can fix yourself with a few simple steps. Let's dive in and get your dishwasher running smoothly again. First off, what does error code F85 mean? In Miele dishwashers, especially the 2025 models, F85 typically signals an issue with the water inlet system. This could involve problems like low water pressure, a blocked inlet valve, or even a faulty flow sensor. It's the machine's way of saying, hey, I can't get the water I need to operate properly. Now, before you call in a professional, let's troubleshoot. Start by checking your home's water supply. Make sure the water line connected to your dishwasher is fully turned on and that there's no kink in the hose. Next, inspect the inlet filters for any debris or buildup. These can easily get clogged with food particles or mineral deposits over time. If that doesn't solve it, try resetting your dishwasher. Unplug the unit from the wall for about 5 minutes, then plug it back in and run a test cycle. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches. While you're at it, ensure the dishwasher is level and that the door seals properly, as misalignment can sometimes trigger this error. If the error persists after these steps, it might indicate a more serious problem, like a defective sensor or a faulty pump. In that case, it's best to contact a certified Miele technician to avoid any risk of further damage. Remember, dealing with electrical appliances requires caution, so always prioritize safety. There you have it, a quick guide to tackling error code F85 on your Miele dishwasher. We hope this saves you time and hassle. If you found this helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more home appliance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.